Good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope you are doing well at your home. Okay, so here I have brought English 1 letter writing sheet. No doubt the whole thing I have explained in the previous video. Okay, for what purpose we can write the letters, how many types of letters are there, okay, and how to write a letter, वो सब कुछ हमने लिखा है. Now in this exercise sheet only I'll be writing the same thing. Okay, और ये मैं क्यों कर रही हूँ, so that you'll get the idea where to change the line. Okay, line हमको कहाँ पे change करनी है. For that only I'm making this video, so please check it once. Okay, here the content of the letter is there. Okay, तो इसको लेके I am going to write the letters in the given space. Okay, let us start. So here as you can see that I have given the space, accordingly you have to write the letter. Okay, and here I am going to copy the letter from the previous one only, तो वो आप देख लेना. Here first is Vipul P Verma. मैंने बोला था that first sender's address should be there. So here I am writing Vipul, 1 minute only. Okay, so now here I'll be started writing the same thing. Okay, that is name, first of all sender's address, and as you know that who is the sender, so I'm going to write the name of the sender here only. Okay, first is here, from here, that is between lines you are going to be going to start the letter. Vipul, first letter should be capital, then P, comma, Vipul P Verma, V should be again capital. Okay, then address B 503, comma, Mayur Heights. Okay, then again comma. Okay, then locality Nicole. N should be capital, again comma, then Ahmedabad, that is city's name. Be careful with the spellings, huh? Though I know the spelling, then also I'm just being careful. Okay, then full stop here. Then the date. What is the today's date? That is on 19th of February. I'm sending the same. That is, I'll be writing 19th February whole. F should be capital, as February is the proper noun. February, February, comma, 2021. Okay, then nothing will be there. After that our addresses will be there. आप किसको लिख रहे हो? तो my dear friend. Here M should be again capital, my dear friend. Okay, then again comma. This way you need to write the sender's address and addressal. Okay, now here I'll be writing the body of the letter. Let us write it. Okay, I am sure, I should be again capital, I am sure. Then this type of comma is there. Okay, so you have to place it. This letter of mine, this letter of mine will find you. देखो, my space is not there, so I'm using next line. So you are also supposed to use next line whenever the space will not be there. Okay, that mine will find you in the pink of health, in the pink of health. Here H has been written, huh? Pink of health, sailing in the ocean of peace. P should be capital, P-E-A-C-E, peace, and again P should be capital, prosperity, P-R-O-S-P-E-R-I-T-Y, prosperity. Okay, then full stop. Okay, here some of the punctuations are there. Here that dot and slash is there, means comma is there. Okay, then here P and P, both the P should be capital. No doubt it's an adverb only, एक तरह का वो idiom होता है, idiom और phrase also एक तरह का कहावत है कि हम ये चाहते हैं कि आपकी जो हेल्थ है वो हरी भरी रहे और आपके घर में खुशहाली बरकरार रहे. ऐसा एक फ्रेज है जिसको हमने इंग्लिश में लिखा हुआ है. ओके, देन H should be capital. Hope, because we are changing the sentence. Hope you are getting well. You are getting on well with your studies. With your studies. ठीक है, then full stop. मतलब आपकी पढ़ाई अच्छी चल रही होगी. What is your holidays program this year? Again we are changing the sentence. So whenever we are placing the full stop, the next sentence beginning should be with the capital letter. Okay, so here I will be writing what is your, W should be capital. What is your holidays, apostrophe S. Here as you can see that holidays word is in plural. तो मैंने जब apostrophe S सिखाया था तब बताया था that whenever if any noun is in plural, then that time what is the way of writing apostrophe S? You have to write apostrophe S this way, means that slash or that inverted comma should be at the end. Okay, मतलब आपकी छुट्टियों का प्लान क्या है, what is the program of your holidays, ऐसे. और what is your holidays program this year. Okay, and as I have asked a question, then the question mark will be there. Again the next sentence will be from the capital letter. I am sure that you have not planned anything so far, and I, again I capital है ना, I want you to spend the long holidays with me this year. Then new line you have to take. यहाँ पे देखो नो डाउट मेरा ईयर यहाँ पे खत्म हुआ है एंड आई एम बिगिनिंग विद द न्यू लाइन ओनली. बट अगर आपका ईयर मतलब ये जो ईयर आपने लिखा वो यहाँ पे खत्म हो रहा है, देन ऑल्सो यू हैव टू टेक अ न्यू लाइन. दिस पोर्शन शुड बी कंटिन्यूअस. कहीं से कैसे भी आप लोग लिख रहे हो, दिस बॉडी ऑफ द दिस कंटेंट शुड बी कंटिन्यूअस. देन जैसे ही ये खत्म हो गया, आपको जहां पे भी खत्म हुआ, यू हैव टू टेक अ न्यू लाइन. ओके, नाउ आई एम टेकिंग न्यू लाइन. Please, P capital, please do simply come and let's, apostrophe S, let's have a jolly good time together. Full stop. Here also I, let us move to the next page. I hope you will give me a positive reply. Okay, full stop. Then I have given these lines, so in these lines only I am going to write with, because I have ended the letter, तो एक लाइन मैं यहाँ पे छोड़ रही हूँ और उसमें भी लिखूंगी W capital, with best wishes. Okay, with best wishes, comma, yours lovingly. Y should be capital. योर्स आएगा, हाँ बेटा योर नहीं, एस लिखना वहां पे, योर्स लविंगली, कॉमा, और यहाँ पे इन योर लेटर इट हैज बीन रिटर्न लाइक ABC ओनली, बट मैंने बताया था दैट हियर दैट सेंडर्स नेम शुड बी देयर, एंड हु इज द सेंडर ऑफ दिस लेटर बेटा? विपुल. सो हियर वी आर गोइंग टू राइट विपुल ओनली, एंड वी शुड बी कैपिटल, विपुल. Okay, got it? And then full stop. So this way you need to write the letter. The same way you are going to write the letter once in the notebook. Notebook में भी बेटा एक बार लिखना, because this letter is going to come in your examination. ये आने ही वाला है और यही आएगा. No options are there because only one letter is there and that is going to come. Okay, so please prepare it, and whatever punctuations मैंने जितने सारे punctuations आपको बताए, you have to follow the same thing. Okay, चलो, I hope that you got it, but still if you didn't get the same thing you can share your doubts while Zoom. Okay, चलो, I am signing off बेटा, bye bye.